Okay, welcome everyone. That's where we're at today. Finished our upper assembly, I guess to call it, yesterday. Really, I think it's really coming together, particularly from the side angle. The top just looks like a bunch of mess, but that's really how trains usually appear anyway. But with that being said, I've got the wax all warmed up over there. I may have overfilled it. And I modified my paintbrush where I just got the little stubble left on it, so I'm hoping that'll help me control the wax once we get to the part where we're applying it. Which, is on this one. With that being said, let's jump in here and start pulling some pieces. 29, 30, and 31. Let's see, where are we at? Just one of each. 29. 30. One of these days I'm going to remember to put a microphone on before I start the video. Okay. 30 and 31. Then P5 times 4. P4. And P6 times 2. This is 15 mil. There's a bunch of those in there, so I'm assuming they're all. There's only two sizes left. One long one. Well, no. Yep. So just got to get a hold of two of them. Yep. Okay, so 15 mil. And we can start our sanding. One more. All right. Let's see what we're doing here. Take you oriented like so. Get a hold of them. One of those on the end. I don't think I got all the way down. But no, dude. Through there. And put the other end on. And I'm assuming you just want it tight enough to stay together, so I'm going to give it a little bit more. Okay. Still spins, and it's snug. So, hopefully that's... They don't give us a little diagram of showing how much on this one. Okay, now where the waxing comes in. I'll find out if the new system works. If I can avoid spilling hot wax all over myself. That's okay. So it's saying basically want to coat this whole thing in wax. So let's see how this new brush system works here. Not this whole thing, but that they're showing basically the end that end that I'm working on. It seems to be spreading it out pretty thin, so I think one more. And I guess I could take the bottom one of these and just sort of okay. Clean that off. Got dried up pretty quick, so that must be thin coated. But we'll find out if it worked or not. Okay, on this one, oriented like so. Put this on this end. And similar situation, go through one, whoop, then the other, and not that far, that fast, twist it back. All right. Yep. This on the other side. Okay. I'm gonna push that through a little bit further there, I think. Trying to split the difference on the. Okay. Now what do I do with it? Okay, so. Okay, I just set this aside for a moment because I've got to get some more pieces. Okay. 27, 28, and 32. 7, 28, and 32. Okay, now it says on this one, you just do the round bits with wax. So, I'm assuming they mean both sides, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Now, what do I do with this? Okay, just get to mount this onto the train. Okay. You. Okay, so line these guys all up. They're all on the top, I think. And these, that one wants to go down, but okay. You, and you. Okay. Looks like Okay. This one goes in there to lock it in, I think. Or not. Nope. Peg goes in first. Oh. Okay. Peg goes in first. Then this goes on. Okay. Was I supposed to wax the peg? Doesn't say anything about it. Then this goes on in front of that. Okay. And this, our original piece, goes on. What is it? Whoops. Yeah. Goes into the top section. Into this hole. Alright. And this one comes up through this hole. If I can get some leverage behind it. Maybe. There it goes, I think. Yep, there. Like so. So this is eventually going to be doing that motion. Okay, cool. Okay. Now I'll get some more pieces. I intended to do 27 and 28 together, but I think I'm going to have to split them up. So 33, 34, 35, 36, and 38. 33. 34. 35. 36. Where's 36 at? 39, 38. 36, okay. 36 that side. And a 38. Okay. Gonna be any? Yep, there's gonna be waxing on this too for the. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand this first. Go ahead and throw the wax on this. Let it set up a little bit too much there. Let's try again. Nice and thin. Okay. I'll let you set up while I sand the rest of these pieces. What are you into out there, Bridget? She's sleeping. She's an old dog. She's allowed to do that. And I let her out. She was out for a couple hours today, so she's pretty tuckered. Okay. Let's start getting these together now. So, take this one right through this side. this guy with the details facing this way. Run it through. Then take the smaller end, run it through there, and okay. This is going to go on the outside in a minute. Okay. I see where it's going with it. Okay. So this one goes in the lower hole. You go in there. Until we get to this mounted on that bracket, on that center wheel. Ooh, and this actually. Nope, not yet. This extra peg goes inside the loop here, so it goes in to there. And onto here. Okay. Now we put this peg on the outside of that, all that goodness. Get leverage on it somehow. Yeah, there it went. Okay. I think it's gonna work. Yeah. All right. That is step 27. Since it was almost 20 minutes, the next video is going to just basically be a replay of this on this side. See if I can do any better. Yeah, I don't want to skip any steps. I don't want to. So, that being said, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.